Hello everyone, welcome back to the Beginners channel. In previous video, we have discussed some problem regarding the trigonometric identities topic. In this video, we'll discuss some more problems on the same topic. So let us enter into the video. First one is seventh one, that is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. This relationship we need to prove that. Okay, first consider this as a sin A plus cosec A whole square, that is this as a plus B whole square. Here also this as a plus B whole square. What is the formula of A plus B whole square? We know very well, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here also you can write as sin, here A is sin, B is cosec, so you can write sin square A, because A square is sin square A, B square is cosec square A plus 2AB means 2 sin A cosec A. Similarly, for this term also, for this term plus cos square A plus this is what, sec square A plus 2 times cos A sec A. Okay, here let us memorize some relations. Like in previous topic, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and we know this identity, and we know one more thing, that is reciprocal relationship of trigonometric ratios. What are they? That is, for sin theta and cosec theta, these two are having reciprocal relationship, and next cos theta and sec theta, these two are having reciprocal relationship. Next tan theta and cot theta, these two are having reciprocal relationship. We discussed this in last classes. Okay, here what does it mean by reciprocal relationship? That means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So we can write sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So similarly, this is also cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. This is also tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are having reciprocal relationship. So here you can observe, this is sin square A, here is cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A is what? 1 from this identity. Okay, 1 plus here 2 sin A cosec A. That means sin A cosec A, I said sin theta cosec theta is 1. So 2 into 1 plus here also 2 into cos A sec A. Cos theta and sec theta is what? Cos theta into sec theta 1. So here also 1. That is 2 into 1. And what you are remaining with? Remaining with 2 terms. That is cosec square A plus sec square A. Here what you will get? 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5, plus here cosec square A plus sec square A. Okay, we know from the trigonometric identities, cosec square A and sec square A having a relationship in terms of the tan and cot. Yes, okay, we'll know. We'll write here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means if you equal here, cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1, here sec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. Okay, So if you replace these two terms with that, 5 plus cosec square A is what? 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus cot square A plus sec square A is what? 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A. So here 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus here tan square A plus here cot square A. Okay, this is the end of the answer. That's what they want to prove. Okay, we'll see next problem. Okay, we'll do next problem, that is simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot squared theta. Okay, here they have given a minus b into a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square. That is what? A square is 1 minus b square is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta into here 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta. We know 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. Here if you take this sin square theta to, if you take this cos square theta to that side, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta into here 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is what? If you bring this cot term to that side, so cosec square theta. You remaining with cosec square theta. Here a square into b square we can write as ab whole square. So sin theta into cosec theta whole square. Sin theta and cosec theta are in reciprocal relationship. I said here sin theta and cosec theta. So sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So which is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. We'll see next problem. Okay, the next problem is if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, some constant p, then find sec theta minus tan theta. If you go with the normal method, that what we do generally, this sec theta and tan theta we break in terms of sin theta and cos theta. If you break that and do it, you will get the answer, but it makes you trouble. So what we do is we here use one identity, that is sec theta tan theta. We have one identity. What is that identity? Sec square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We use this identity. Okay, how we can write this? Sec square theta minus tan square theta we can write as a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, we can write like this, which is equal to 1. If you bring this sec theta plus tan theta to that side, what happens? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta, what they have given? This is something p. So 1 by p. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. This is the answer. They may ask in the questions like, if the value of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2, what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? What? That is 1 by 2. So we'll do next problem. Okay, we'll do the next problem and the last problem of this exercise. That is, if cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the question. In previous cases, we take LHS and we derive RHS. But in this case, if you take LHS and derive RHS, this is very hard, very difficult to do that. So what we'll do is, we take RHS and we derive LHS. That means we'll take this term and we do some mathematical calculations and we end up with cos theta. Okay, let's start the solution here. First, we consider k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, which is equal to what? K is what? Cosec theta plus cot theta. So cosec theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 divided by cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. So you can write a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is what? If you expand this, what you will get? A square, that is cosec square theta, plus b square, that is cot square theta, plus 2ab, that is 2 cosec theta cot theta minus 1 divided by here cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, that is similarly cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 1. So if you observe this, what cosec square theta, you can write two identities what we know here. One is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That means here something minus 1 is there. You can write this cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So here also this is also can be written as cosec square theta is equal to cosec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus cot square theta. These three are same identity but of different forms. Okay, here come back to this. Let us make a bracket here. Let's come back to the solution. Here if you observe this minus 1, so you can compare this with this. So cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta is there, minus 1 is there, so you can replace these two terms with the cot square theta. So if you write cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta divided by here the plus 1 term is there. So here plus 1, here cot square theta there. So this plus 1 and cot square theta can be replaced with cosec square theta. So cosec square theta plus this cosec square theta plus 2 times cosec theta cot theta. So this can be written as cot square theta is 2 cot square theta. So 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta divided by here 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. So if you take a common 2 cot theta, if you take common, what you will get? I'm writing here 2 cot theta into you remaining with one more cot theta, that is cot theta plus here 2 cot theta gone, so you remaining with cosec theta divided by here also if you take 2 cosec theta common, that is 2 cosec theta, you will remaining with 1 cosec theta here, is cosec theta plus here cot theta here cot theta plus cosec theta, here also cosec theta plus cot theta, these two are one and same, you can cross down, and so here also 2 get cot theta by cosec theta. So I'm writing here cot theta by cosec theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta divided by what is cosec theta? 1 by sin theta, which is equal to what? Sin theta get cancelled, which remains with remaining with cos theta. This is the end of this answer. I hope you understand this answer. I hope you understand all the problems I've discussed till now. This is the end of the exercise 11.4. I hope you like this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell button for upcoming videos. Thank you and thank you for watching.